We seen a mouse this morning. We got to try to kill him. Before we do that, my wife is terrified of mice. So I'm going to go in there and act like I'm talking to you guys and gals normally. And then I'm going to scream and say he's at our feet, and let's see what happens. Dog, there he is! He's done! Howdy, howdy everybody. Welcome to the channel. I'm Colton. It's a Redneck Resale. Alrighty guys and gals, so I just ended yesterday's video for you guys and gals. Today's video is for us. She's still over here working on these comics. She said, Lord, please help her.
I still got another barrel.
So we're gonna pull our orders for today. So we got these going out on the eBay. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them. So let's jump into it and get that done. Alrighty guys and gals, so we got some pretty decent sales today. A couple of them, kind of Bolo items if you run into them. We'll get to them here in a minute. But the first thing we got to get is a John Deere mug on G2. It's this one right here. It's got a combine on it. So yeah, right there, it's a beautiful cup. Kind of a tall mug. This sold for $9.60 plus shipping. Now on I-3, we got to get some scrapbook paper. Got to move these bunnies. I got to remember which ones it was.
It's all of them.
This. Put that back. So this is just a lot of scrapbooking paper we got. It's supposed to be 16 pieces. This is 1, 2, 10, 15, 16. So they're all here. This is it. Just scrapbooking paper. All different kinds, all new. And for this, we got $20.99 plus shipping. Now we got to get 5 Wii games. Gonna be these right here on the rack. This one and this one. So these are 5 Wii games. We got Barbie, Sing It, Disney Princess, Raymond, Barbie, and that's it. So 5 of them. These sold for $19.25 plus shipping. Now in C1 we sold 2 Wii AV cables. A viewer actually told me to list these cables and they would sell, and he was 100% correct. These Wii AV cables sold for $8.75 free shipping a piece, going to 2 different buyers, so that was pretty weird. So happy with that. Now we sold a Dead Space PC game.
I don't see it.
Right here. This PC game here, this sold for $6.96 plus shipping. Now we're coming up on some Bolo items. So this is the first one right here. This is a Rawlings Quattro bat. See that right there? And it's a 31 inch, 21 ounce. It's got a drop 10 on it. If y'all see any of the bats look like this right here with this rubber piece here, I would pick them up. This was comping for about $150 to $169, but I took offers on it, and I took the first good offer that came, and we sold this for $128 plus shipping. I could have waited and got more, but I figured, hey, I'm 10 bucks into this. Let's do a quick flip. I ain't got to wait a week, 2 weeks, a month, however long. Make my money, move on. So we sold that. The next thing we sold is a printer right here, and we picked this up for $30. See this here? It's a Dell B1160W wireless black and white laser printer, and it's new open box. Everything in here still factory done up here. I checked everything, never used, and this ended up selling for $171.49 free shipping. It'll probably cost 12 to 14 bucks to ship, so I'm happy with that. Now we sold a car radio. I gotta see which one that is. Pretty sure it's this one, because I remember seeing the rust spot in the photo, and it's just a factory car radio, untested as is, for parts, no returns, and this sold for $45.46 free shipping. That's our orders going out today. If y'all run into any of these printers or this type of bat, I mean, who would have thought? It kind of blew my mind for a used bat, and it's pretty scuffed up. You'll see that there. But when you get these bats, just fill them, make sure there ain't no flat spots in it, and you can take your fingernail and kind of just run along the edge here, and just roll it around and see if it catches on anything to feel for cracks. But I mean, this one's in good shape. Happy with this stuff. We're gonna get this stuff packed up and sent out, and we'll pick up on this tomorrow.
The next day.
Alrighty guys and gals, we back today. We got 3 orders going out. 2 on eBay, 1 on Poshmark. So the first thing going out is a remote in D1. Here it is right here. I think is it right? Looks like
Is
it.
it the Phillips?
Yeah.
Yep.
Magnavox.
Mm-hmm.
Don't pick this remote up. I bought it in a lot, so I had it, so I figured I might as well list it. I'm gonna make like $1 on it. And this sold for $5.97 free shipping. Now we sold a John Deere shirt in N1B. We gotta lint roller it and fold it and put it in a bag. But that's just a little. You think that fit me?
No.
Why, my belly too big?
It's a little short.
Then I'd blend in with everybody else in Cherokee County. Anyhow, this is an Anvil John Deere shirt. See this right here? It's got nothing like runs like a deer down the sleeve. This sold for $11.96 plus shipping. Now we sold some Lunar Nike shoes. And speaking of which, I need to update that. I had a eBayer message me to tell me that pattern, the style, everything like that, so I could put it in my listing. And I forgot all about it till now, so I need to fix that. Anyhow, these right here sold on Poshmark. They're silver Nike Lunar Lawn Nikes. I don't know. Anyhow, these sold for $32 plus shipping on Poshmark. So as we was filming that last clip, you know, where I showing what it sold, my wife screamed. She said, I just seen something. It was a mouse ran from up in the air on this pipe. That joker ran right down through here. Behind, y'all ignore my mess. Ran right down through here. You see that hole right yonder? Where that wire's coming through? That's where that little devil went. Right there through where that wire is. So now I'm gonna plug that hole up with some aluminum foil, and we gotta set some traps. I think he come through that hole right there.
Or that one right there.
Where? Or there's another. He could have went in there. That may be where he went in. You can see how that pipe right there's got some rust spots right in front of that hole. That's probably where they're going in and out at right there. That's one of the problems of these old buildings.
What, you ready to move?
Move? Move?
I don't do rats.
We just gotta plug these holes up. I got a trap rat joker.
I'm scared to get down now.
She's up there on the table. Can y'all believe that? We got this right here. See this trap right here? Buddy, I picked me up the broom. I was about to smush that joker with that broom, but he was gone before I got back there. We may have caught him on film. I don't know. I just know I was talking, and I took a breath, and she shut the camera off, said, what was that? And now she's up on the table. And we also got a gap under that door. So I need to put something under that door. Right there, okay? And then we need to fill in all these holes where these wires are coming through. That ain't a bad hole up there, but we got wires coming through these bricks here we need to fill in. But I think that's about it.
You think it's safe to get down now?
Probably.
I don't know.
That's too much excitement for one day for us. So anyhow, we're gonna get this stuff packed up. We going on a mouse hunt. Alrighty guys and gals, so here's the situation. We seen a mouse this morning. We got to try to kill him. But I blocked up some of his holes. But before we do that, my wife is terrified of mice. So I'm going to go in there and act like I'm talking to you guys and gals normally. And then I'm going to scream and say he's at our feet, and let's see what happens. If she curses, I'm going to have to blank that out. So I apologize. So let's see what happens. Y'all come on. So, a lot of you guys and gals was wondering how we shipped them cotton trees yesterday. So I got some dogwoods right here. Right here. And we're gonna show y'all how I shipped that cotton tree since I done shipped it using these dogwoods. There he is! He's gone!
Is he really?
Yeah, he's right there under you.
Nope. Not happening. Is he really?
He's on the bottom of your chair.
You better not be. I'm out. Nope. He ain't even on there, is he? I'm serious. I don't do rats. I'll start climbing the walls. Is he really under there?
No. It was all a
Butthole.
gag. Anyhow, for real though, let's show y'all how we ship this. Basically, this is about close to the same size as that tree, so I figured this kind of will work. I just ain't got the bottom on it, which ain't no big deal. Alrighty, guys and gals, so here's how I did that cotton tree. Same concept, worked for this. I did charge in my listing, even though it wasn't quite a pound. I did charge priority mail shipping because I knew how I was going to have to ship it. So basically, I took said cotton tree, in this case said dogwood tree, and I kind of did this right here with it. And then I took this poly bag and I stuck the bottom down in this one, like that. Kind of just pulled that bag up around it, kind of mashed it like that a little bit. And then I took this other poly bag. You can use a garbage bag, whatever you got. You ain't got to use just necessarily a poly bag. And I kind of did this right here with it, just to mash it down in there, like that. And then I got these shoe boxes. These are from the USPS shoe box. So y'all can order them for free. I took a shoe box like this and I dropped it straight down in here. Just like this. Okay? See that? And then I took said other shoe box like this, and we went right over the top, just kind of crunching all that together just enough to get the box on. And then I put the box and pushed this box down on top of it until it hit the top of the tree, and then I just taped it up. You know, just put this on there like a cap, pushed it on down, and it may split the box a little, which you can just tape it. And then just close that up, seal it, and that's how I shipped out that cotton tree. When the buyer gets it, you know, he'll pull it out like this, and then he'll get him some nice poly bags. And then when he pulls it out this poly bag, it fluffs back out, and then he's got said tree. So maybe that'll help you guys and gals. We're gonna have to cut this video off right here, because we got to go to the co-op to get us some mouse traps, some dynamite, some tannernite, some gas, some matches, whatever we got to do to get rid of this little feller. Y'all ever seen that movie Mouse Hunt? That's what's gonna happen. So we blocked up his hose.
Mouse hunt or mouse trap?
Mouse Hunt. We blocked up his holes. We're gonna get some aluminum foil, put in the holes, set some traps, just to be on the safe side, because hey, we're clean people. We don't do bugs, we don't do mice. They're part of it. So we got to get him out of here. And so story time. My aunt and uncle, they lived out in the middle of nowhere, okay? And he's a real big gun fanatic. They laying in bed one night, and this was years ago. They live out in the country. They laying in bed one night, and his wife started screaming, freaking out. There was a teeny tiny little mouse run up the curtains. Got up there on the curtain rod. She started screaming. He was trying to go to sleep because he is tired. Every light in the bedroom lamps come on. She's screaming. He reaches over in his nightstand. He pulls out his 40. Boom! Shoots that right off that darn curtain rod. Put his gun back in his drawer. Went right back to bed. Guess you'd have just had to been there. But we could do that. I could set up over here, lay down in my ghillie suit, and snipe that joker when he comes out the hole. I don't know. We're going to get rid of the rat anyhow. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. We'd greatly, greatly appreciate it. And we will see you guys and gals tomorrow. You all take care now.